All right, guys, we got the Yaomiao 12-piece nail clipper set. Amazing. I can confirm I have 12 in here, and these things are really nice. I love the compactness. They're also pretty high quality. I actually like the color too. I like that kind of like matte black color to it. It's got a nice clip too. Let's test it. These work well. Very sharp. They're ready to go. I just clipped a nail there. So love the compactness. You could throw these on a keychain, throw these in a bag. I like the fact that you get 12 for the number on the product page there. These are an insane value. You don't want to be forking over too much money for these. These are great, high quality, really, really good value. The fact that you get 12 of these for that number on the product page, I honestly can't believe it. I like that there's 3 colors. You got black, you've got rose gold, and you've got silver. Personally, I like this matte black look. If you can see that, check that out. Cool color. Highly recommend.